redesigned Google's most helpful services like search, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, and Photos. We incorporated soft rounded corners and premium materials, including our own custom fabrics. You can also choose from 4 beautiful colors to complement any room. Hub can respond automatically to the bright white tones of natural light that you get during the day, and then gradually shift into the oranges and yellows of your indoor lights in the evening. With a swipe down from the top of the screen, you can bring up a simple dashboard. The dashboard shows you the state of your entire home at a quick glance. We've redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile controller for your smart home.
I think that isn't a laptop trying to be a tablet. Because who wants a fan in their tablet? Or a tablet that's really a phone pretending to be a computer. Instead, we combine the helpful elements of all of these devices to create a modern computing experience people have been asking for. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue, with low-temperature polycrystalline silicon technology, which allows for 100 times faster movement of electrons versus a standard display. Both cameras incorporate our machine learning algorithms, so you can take great photos, including portrait mode. The UI is now optimized to be simple and easy to use on a touchscreen. It's a Chrome OS experience that's meant to be held in your hands. Machine learning customizes the launcher just for you. Pixel Slate keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Slate.
Most useful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer itself, a camera that won't miss a shot, and it's a whole new experience when it's charging.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures.
Pixel 3's camera is smart enough to know a good photo when it sees it. Another feature that we're really excited about is night sight. They look like they're really in the scene with you for even more playful photos and videos. And here's a sneak peek at the childish Gambino character we're working on with Donald Glover. Coming soon to Playground and exclusively to Pixel. The smartest wireless charger ever. The new Pixel Stand.
Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $7.99. And Pixel Stand is $79.